Hello and welcome students to the section 5 Network Pen Testing Network IoT Devices Exploitation. So in this section what we are going to learn, first of all we will learn about what is router pen testing. Then we will learn that how you can download and install VIOS, which is a virtual router inside your VMware machine. Then how you can start the router services inside VIOS, that we are going to learn. And then finally how you can perform brute force attack on router services, so that we are going to cover in the final video about router pen testing. So in this video what we are going to learn, so in this video first of all we will learn about what is router pen testing and then what are the services running inside this router, so that we are going to learn. First of all, let's talk about router pen testing, that what is the meaning of router pen testing. So router pen testing is necessary to find loopholes in router services. Absolutely correct. For example, if this is the attacker, right, and this is your router. So attacker wants to access router because router contains all the services. So if attacker has access in the router, so attacker can manipulate the services and can insert all the services. So that's why if we talk about router pen testing, then router pen testing means getting information about router vulnerability or loopholes, right? And by finding all the loopholes, you can basically secure your network by securing your router. So find out all the loopholes inside your router is called router pen testing. It helps network engineers to secure their router from external attacks. Absolutely correct. For this is external attack. For example, this is your network and this external attacker is trying to connect with your router, is trying to access your router services. So that can be done by attacker. So router pen testing is to secure your network by finding loopholes, and attacker can exploit your router if router has vulnerabilities inside it. So let me show you the process. So the process is quite simple, that you consider yourself as an attacker, right? In pen testing we consider ourselves as an attacker. An attacker is trying to getting information about this router, right? So this is your router. Router has different kind of services like SSH, SNMP, right? So these kind of services are all running inside your router machine. The work of attacker is to get information about all the services running inside this router and trying to log in inside these services, trying to perform brute force attack on these services. So this can be done by any external user, or we can say attacker. The work of network engineers or ethical hackers is to secure their router from this kind of external attack, right? And by putting some complex passwords on the services, right? Or harden the security inside the router. So that can be done by the ethical hackers or network security guys. And the work of attacker is to access all these kind of services inside a router. So this is all about router pen testing and how attacker can attack inside router. So we will also perform practicals from the next video. So this is all about the basics of router pen testing, and in the next video I'm going to show you that how you can download and install VIOS, which is a virtual router, in VMware Workstation. So that we are going to cover in the next video. Thank you.